Lindt, a world-renowned truffle-making company, has officially launched the Lindt Home of Chocolate, the world's largest chocolate museum in Zurich, Switzerland. It was formally opened on September 13, 2020 by tennis champion Roger Federer and is said to be the largest chocolate museum in the world, which cost 100 million Swiss francs to build. The 65,000 square feet museum surely lives up to its name, as it also houses the world's largest chocolate fountain, which is 30 feet tall and has more than 1500 liters of real melted chocolate flowing over a giant Lindor ball. The Lindt Home of Chocolate welcomes visitors to set on a journey with an interactive museum that is brought to them via 7 chocolate worlds. Here one gets experience everything about chocolate making, from cultivation to production. Apart from this, the exhibits will enable visitors to learn about the history of Swiss chocolate making and teaches them not only about Lindt but also about its famous predecessors. Guests will learn how cocoa beans are cultivated and processed, the history of Swiss chocolate, and the ingredients diffusion among cultures around the world. At the chocolate area, visitors can take part in chocolate making class and create their own tasty confections, while the research facility will allow one to experience what goes into the Lindt production process. Guests can enjoy unlimited chocolate tasting in the praline tasting room. At the 1640 square feet gift shop, you can even customize your own pralines or have a Lindt Master chocolatier create a personalized chocolate bar for you. In addition, the Lindt Home of Chocolate has a research facility where professionals can develop a recipe on a small scale and simulate the optimization of production sequence and process technologies, factors that are important to the chocolate industry overall. There's also a cafe and tasting room called Chocolate Heaven, which serves treats including a chili and Tabasco hot chocolate, as well savory dishes such as salads, toasties, and quiches. Entrance tickets start from 15 francs for adults and 10 francs for kids. Kids under the age of 7 can go free. It is hoped that it will attract 350,000 visitors each year from across the world.